Carbon fiber graphic. That explains why it feels not like carbon fiber. Where's the rubber? Rubberized on left side. Where's the rubberized? I don't know where the rubberized is. Whatever, so yeah, it's got the carbon fiber look, and I can't see where or how it was applied, but yeah, I mean, I like the blade shape. I like the simple handle shape. This clip's kind of butt ugly, but no lanyard hole. I don't trust my finger there. Sharpening choil. No jumping. Yeah, nice little pocket knife. Probably be just fine as an EDC main blade. Oh, look at that. Thumb stud, right side only. Tip down, right side only. It's a nice looking knife. It's a good size. It'll open your packages, food. So there you go. The Buck 327 Nobleman.